Oh, since morning, the rain has been falling and falling heavily. What cracked Jimmy? Hey, you know, be easy. I don't know even when the Musumo Kwabeti cry. I think it's all over in Ghana. You see the tool, baby. You see the tool, baby. No be easy. I go cry. Wow. I was so warm. Oh. And as the rain is falling, you shouldn't even thinking about yourself only. You have to think about those who are homeless out there struggling, to get something to eat. Yeah. So if you see someone out there struggling, you got to help the person. Yeah. You got to help the person because it not be easy. Because oh goodness. Life entails a lot. So right now, put in your mind. Be a wishing the last 2 weeks on them kuma. Say one cause when you be I don't know. Think about that person now. Say his future right now. When if he be hustling and nowhere to sleep, you have to know that Ninya Funya so the man of what so you soon turn on case you've been in chain. You know what I mean, yeah. So you have to think about those people too because yeah, go. God have mercy on us. No.